Hello children, hope you all are fine. This is me again Shobhi. Today we are going to recall chapter 6, Fun with Games. Let me see. Fun with Games, chapter 6. Games and their importance. Playing games is fun. Games build up the feeling of togetherness and bonding. They help in keeping our body fit and healthy. Games are a form of exercise which help to develop muscle strength. Some of the games need only one or two players while others require a whole team. When we play games as a team, we learn to do what is best for the team as a whole. This teaches us many useful lessons. Some games are individual games, some games are team games. Games improve our health and keeps the disease away. So we should play some forms of games to refresh ourselves and have a healthy life. Now let me see indoor games. We all like to play games. The games that we play inside the house or any other covered place are called indoor games. There are different types of indoor games: snake and ladders, chess, ludo, carom, and cards are such as games. Let us find out what these games are all about. Carom. Carom is played on square wooden board with 4 pockets at its 4 corners. We play this game with a striker and some round coins. There are 9 white colored coins and 9 black coins in carom. There is one red colored coin called a queen. The queen is the most powerful coin as it provides maximum points. The player has to hit the striker with fingers, which in turn hits the coins and pushes them into the pockets. Every time a coin goes into any pocket, the player wins a point. The player with the maximum number of points wins the game. 2 to 4 players can play this game. Snakes and ladders. In this game, the board has 100 boxes drawn on it. Some snakes and ladders are drawn on the board. The players have to throw dice and move their pegs across the boxes. When a player reaches a box with a snake head, he or she has to climb down to the snake's tail. If the player reaches the beginning of a ladder, he or she gets to climb the ladder and move forward. 2 to 4 players can play this game. Chess. A chessboard has 64 squares. One player has white pieces and the other player has black pieces on the board. Each side has a king, a queen, 2 knights, 2 rooks, 2 bishops, and 8 pawns. Each side begins with 60 pieces. Each player has to defend his or her pieces and attack the pieces of the opponent with every move. A player wins when he or she checkmates the opponent's king by attacking him. Ludo. Ludo is a game in which 4 players raise their pegs from start to end on the game board. Each player gets 4 pegs. The pegs of each player are of a different color. The players have to throw the dice and move as many steps as the number they get. The player who is able to get all 4 of the pegs inside to the home square first wins the games. Outdoor games. The games that we play outside in a park or a ground are called outdoor games. These games also keep our mind and body fit and healthy. Physical activities like running and hopping are possible in these games only if there is a lot of open space. Cricket. Cricket is a bat and ball game played between two teams with 11 players each. The team that gets to bat first tries to score runs by hitting the ball and running between the wickets. The team that is bowling and fielding has to get the batting team out as quickly as possible. The bowling team then gets to bat and must make one more run than the first team to win the game. There are 3 forms of this game. A test match for cricket is played for 5 days. A one-day match and a 2020 match are shorter version of this game, etc. In India, Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar is the highest run scorer in one day and test cricket match. Hockey. Hockey is an outdoor game. It is the national game of India. 2 teams play the game of hockey. Each team has 11 players. It is played with hockey sticks and a ball in a field. Each team tries to score goals by hitting the ball into the other team's goalpost. The goalkeeper in each team tries to stop the ball from entering the goalpost. The team which scores more goals wins the game, etc. Indian hockey team has won 8 gold medals in Olympic Games. Football. In the game of football, there are 2 teams. Each team has 11 players who chase and kick the ball. Each team tries to strike goals in the opponent's goalpost. There is also a goalkeeper similar to the game of hockey. Another name for the game of football is soccer. Hopscotch. In this game, 8 boxes joined with each other are laid on the ground. The player throws a pebble in the first box and hops with one foot till the 8th box and comes back. The player must skip the box in which the stone has landed. The player must not touch the lines, else he or she will be out. On the way back, the pebble is picked up. The player who throws and picks the stone from all the boxes first wins the game. Right, now let me see how to do this activity sheet. Write your name and the section. The first one, fill in the blanks with the words given below in the brackets. The words as given in this bracket, you have to choose the word to fill the blanks. The first one, hit the ball into the goalpost in hockey is called goal. The answer is goal. The answer is goal. Write the answer in this blank. Likewise, you have to read the sentence and choose the word from the bracket and write the answer in the blank. The second one, circle the odd one. For example, hopscotch, football, cricket, chess. Chess is indoor game, so circle that. Likewise, you have to find the odd one and circle that. The next one, match the following. In left side, the games has given in the left side, right? in the right side what material used for that game. You have to find out and match them. Okay. The next one, find the words in the grid. Right? The words are carom, cricket, hockey. You have to find out from this grid and circle them. The next one, answer for the following questions. How many players can play chess together? Write the answer in this space. The second question, what are the outdoor games? Write the answer in this space. The next one, identify the picture and write their name. You have to write the picture's name in this space. The next one, answer in one word. Read the sentence and answer in one word. For example, another name for the game of football is soccer. Likewise, read the sentences and write answers in one word. The next one, missing letters. You have to write the missing letters in these words, right? To frame a correct word. The next one, draw a hockey stick and ball. You have to draw hockey stick and the ball. The next one, put a tick against the correct sentences and cross against the wrong. Okay. For example, playing games is bore. Playing games is fun. So sentence is wrong. So cross it. Likewise, read the sentences and do the activity. Bye. See you again.